Your vacation is coming. Suitcase ready. Tickets booked. But your plants are watching you. One wrong move, and when you come back, they may be dry, yellow or dead. Ignoring plant care before travel can silently kill them. Most people realize it too late. But don't worry. You don't have to cancel your trip. And you don't have to lose your plants. We've got simple solutions. Just subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell so you never miss easy plant saving tips like this. Before you leave, check watering carefully. Do not overwater in panic. Wet soil for too long causes root rot. Water slowly and deeply one day before leaving. Make sure excess water can drain out. Never leave pots sitting in water. Group your plants together. This helps increase humidity naturally. Plants release moisture into the air. When they stay close, humidity stays higher. This reduces water loss from leaves. Especially important for tropical plants. Move plants away from direct sunlight. Strong sun dries soil very fast. Choose a bright but indirect light spot. Avoid windows with harsh midday sun. Less light means less water use. Your plants will rest while you're away. Check pots and soil before travel. Make sure pots have drainage holes. Loose, airy soil holds moisture better. Remove dead or yellow leaves. Healthy plants handle stress better. Clean plants also prevent pest problems. Here is a simple solution. Use a water wick or cotton string. One end in water, one end in soil. Plants drink slowly when they need it. You can also use self-watering spikes. Simple tools can save your plants. Now tell me, how many days will you be away? If this helped you, share it with plant-loving friends. Like the video. Subscribe to the channel. And turn on the bell for more plant care tips. May your journey be safe. May your home be peaceful. And may your plants stay green and healthy.